Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.